Hello everyone. Today we will create this. We will focus on the animation, so you will find a link in the description to download the starting file. So let's jump into Blender. First things first, we will animate the arrow because it's the main animation and all things will be synced to it. So I will select the arrow and go to first frame, press K and create a rotation keyframe. And if you want to know or change the shortcut of insert keyframe menu, check this video. Okay, so after that we will go to 100, frame 100, and rotate the arrow 180 along x-axis. Set a rotation keyframe, select both, press T and make the interpolation linear. And if you want to know why I did that, I make the animation linear, you can check the same video. Okay, after that I will go to graph editor and I will select the animated curve. It's x axis in our case, and I will press N to see this tab. Go to modifier and add cycles modifier and change the after mode to repeat mirrored. Go back to the timeline. Okay, I will change the end frame to 199. So why I did that? Because the frame 100 is an exact duplicate of frame 1, and including it would cause the animation to stutter. So guys, it's time right now to add the text counter. So first of all, I will select this shape, the base one, and go to edit mode, select this face, shift S, move the cursor to selected. Then I will create a text and move it and rotate it as needed. Or maybe minus 90. Then go to edit mode and change the text to 0. Go to front or side. Move it along Z and Y. Put it in the middle as you see. Go back to this view, and right now I will add extrusion to that text. Go to geometry and I will add a little of extrusion, and if you want a little of depth. So the text right now it's ready. After that we will use an add-ons. You will find a link in the description below. It's a free one. Just you have to download that add-ons, and I will show you that. Go to preference and looking for Leo. So it's enable in my Blender. After that you will find it here, enable it, and go to frame 1 and change and insert keyframe here. I think this is enough. I will move it a little to be in the middle. As you see, we can see it here. Move it a little bit. Maybe I will scale it. Scale it too, and before scale it, I will move the origin to the middle of the geometry. Scale it like so. Go to the camera, and as you see, uh, then I will go to frame 100 and change the counter to 60 and insert keyframe. Select both T, interpolation to linear. Then I will go to graph editor. Then with the text selected, the counter, I will add cycles. Repeat mirrors. Go back to timeline. And right now I will check everything. As you see, it works well. And repeat again. So right now we finished the text counter, and right now we will work on the LED lights. So it's time for the LED lights material. So first I will select the first LED object. I will add a material, name it light. And for this LED, the LED will be on always. I will delete this node, then I will add emission, this emission, change the color to red. To the output. So we have this. Okay, right now I will select the second one. I will add a new material, name it light 1. Okay, follow along with me. Press and hold control with right click, then with the knife just cut the line. I will add an emission and mix shader. Follow along with me. Change this to red and the strength to 10, and change the color here to something darker. So the thing is, right now if we change the factor to 0, Blender will take this material, and if we change the factor to 1, the Blender will take this material. And this is the first key for the animation. The second key is the difference between every single LED is 30-degree in rotation on the x-axis, and this is the second key. So guys, if you are finding this tutorial helpful so far, please take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe. It truly helps the channel more than you know. So right now I need something to control the factor here. So right click, add a driver, then go to drivers sheet. Take the arrow, and after that I will change the name to rots from rotation, and I will use a special expression. I will put it in the description below. It's very simple. And we can test this by going to timeline and hit play. Go back to the driver's sheet and change the type to rotation X rotation and play it back. It works well. Now I will create the material for the third LED, and after that I will leave the rest for you to do it as a challenge. So follow along with me. Now I will copy the material so I can change the driver for the third LED light. So the only thing that I will change in the driver for the third LED is the degree. I will make it 60. After finishing the LEDs, this is the result. By the way, you will find an explanation for um, the expression down in the description. So I enjoyed the video, guys. If you like the video, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.